What's up, I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll take you through Troll Studying Steles, which is part of the Constellation Institute side quest line in Crimson Desert. I'll head across there on the map, this location over here, and there should be a fast travel point right next to it. Teleporting there, we can turn around, and of course, we'll go through the chat over here first. Once this completes, you'll see this marked over here, a Constellation Helm, which we'll need to take. There we go. Then we'll need to equip it, and it's got a special ability, so we'll head across to Armor, select it here, and you'll see press F3 from the Special Equipment tab to select the Constellation Helm. That F3 menu is this one over here, where you can choose a different force, as well as a certain active item over here, for which I've got a few equipped, just to make sure you don't blast people away. Make sure the Constellation Helm is equipped. You can then press this key, and it activates this mode where we can look into the stars and examine the constellations. From this location over here, looking straight up, you should see a constellation nearby, and what we need to do is basically run around. As you can see, this constellation's really close to us. We'll need to position ourselves to sort of on the southern side of it. The mini-map on the left has an N pointing towards the north. Then we'll need to move a bit further away from it in order to make this 3D shape appear a bit like a diamond. Once we've done that, we can then hold the inspect key, which might change the perspective just a tiny bit. We'll line it up, and then we're able to look at it where it should do something cool. And after staring at it for just a little bit, you can see an animation plays. I don't know if you need to run around to this location exactly, but that's what I did to get it to work. Keep staring at it, keep holding control or whatever your lantern key is until eventually it vanishes. Now what we need to do in order to speak to the professor is hold F3 or whatever key it was to bring up this. We'll scroll away from it to unequip this, and shortly after, maybe even removing the helmet if that doesn't work. There we go. That was my F2 menu. Now I should be able to head back to the professor and we should be able to speak to them, but I think I scared him away using a different, rather explosive ability from a different item. So we're back, and now we're able to speak once more, where just like that, this quest should be ticked off completely. So anyways, a bit of a confusing quest. You might or might not need to reposition yourself, and you might or might not need to look exactly at that top star in order for it to work, but there you go. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.